Hello, how's everybody doing today? So today I want to talk to you about how are you using the tools in your shed. So here's the thing, and I'm going to start right off the bat. My opportunity is really nothing more than a tool that you can use, a vehicle that you can use. When you use it properly, you can make money at it. But at the end of the day, it's about how you use it, right? So there's a great opportunity to make money there, right? And there are people that join iMarkets Live all the time, and some are successful at it and some are not, right? So you can sit there and you can get on the internet and you can do your research, right, to decide, well, is this opportunity real, or is this just another one of these scams, right? And you're going to find a bunch of stuff out there. So if you're looking for something to be a scam, trust me, you're going to find stuff out there saying it's a scam, and so again, as I was saying, there are people that have joined this opportunity that have done extremely well. And then there are people that have taken this opportunity that I'm sure have not done well. So what was the truth? Is the truth between those two people different? Because they both took the same opportunity, right? But one was successful and one wasn't, right? And I think that's the problem with today is it's so difficult for people to make decisions. We have all these things at our fingertips that we can do. So I don't want to say that doing research and doing your due diligence is a bad thing, because it's not. You should. But you need to be aware when you get out there, because I've seen what's out there, because I talk to a lot of people. A lot of people go, hey, Brian, it sounds great, but I've seen this, I've seen that. And I look at it, and these responses are very clear from these people that they have no idea what they're talking about. But unfortunately, the people that are looking at it, they don't know that. So you're going to base your opinion on that. So I want to talk a little bit about my experience in signing up. When I signed up to be a part of the group that I'm a part of, I had already had some experience in the Forex market and decided, to not go live, to not trade my own money, because I was pretty honest with myself in the fact that I just didn't feel like I was ready, And so I was like, look, Brian, you're about to put real money on this. You need to have a real conversation with yourself. Are you ready to do this? And I wasn't ready to do it. I was literally looking all over. Where can I find someone in my own backyard? That's what I felt like I needed, right? And at the end of the day, it wasn't someone in my own backyard that, really helped give me the confidence. It was as I joined this group, it was the network that we had that of working together that gave me the confidence to go forward. But at the end of the day, I really want to talk about, what are you doing with the tools you have, right? So if I give you an image of a guy that is, got all the tools in the world for building a house in his garage, right? But he likes to, majority of the time, spend his time on the couch eating potato chips, gets up late, typically, is eating fast food all the time and so forth. I'm not talking to you about anything that has to do with building a house, but how do you think that person builds a house? How do you think that person is utilizing their tools, And then, let's picture another builder that maybe only has a handful of tools, right? But he gets up at the crack of dawn. He's, honest. He makes sure that he eats healthy. He works out. He takes care of himself, right? He, carries himself in a manner where he's very confident about himself and his ability. He always is in a good mood, right? He has a third of the tools the other guy has. Which one of those guys do you want building your house? How you carry yourself matters. What you do matters. So these little things that maybe have nothing to do with these tools, but how you're spending your life, can say a lot about really how well you're going to use your tools. But at the end of the day, if you're not using the tool properly, then you're not going to get the results you're looking for, right? And so, with my opportunity, it's a great opportunity. I know for a fact, I've seen countless upon countless people, they're They're quitting their jobs. They're finding success that they never had before because they're putting the work in. They've got the drive, the work ethic, and they're doing what people are telling them to do, and they're making it happen for themselves, you know? But unfortunately, there's a lot of people out there that just, you know, with any opportunity, it doesn't matter what you do. If you're just dipping your toe in to kind of see what the temperature is and you're not putting the effort behind it, then I can tell you right now, you're wasting your time, you know? I mean, if you're the type of person that would rather spend their time on the couch eating potato chips and doesn't really care, this probably isn't the opportunity for you. Because at the end of the day, you know, you need to put some action behind it. You need to put some focus behind it. And when you do that, you're going to get good results. So, you know, here's the thing is, you know, another saying I had, I mean, if you're looking for success, you could find success basically going door to door selling ketchup packets, right? You really could. I am a firm believer of this, that if you tried hard enough and you worked on your delivery and you believed it enough, you could be a millionaire going door to door selling ketchup packets. I don't have a shadow of a doubt that that's a possibility. You know, so as far as opportunities are all over the place, you know, but I don't want to go door to door selling ketchup packets. I want to do something that I'm excited about, that I'm interested in. So for me, you know, having the opportunity to make money trading and to build a team and help other people learn how to make money trading, I'm excited about that. It's a lot of fun, and I've enjoyed it, and I've done well doing it, and would love to help anyone else. If you're interested, you know, PM me. I'd love to work with you. But you know, the message that I'm here to deliver, and it's short and sweet because I've got a lot I have to do today now, is that, you know, make sure you're using the tools that you've got in your shed, because otherwise they're not going to do anything for you. You can have all the tools in the world, but if you're not putting them to use, if you're not putting the effort behind them, they're not going to get you anywhere. And so, you know, I mean, that's really it, is that, you know, make sure that you are making use of what you have. Yeah, that's it. You know, stop letting them collect dust. So, you know, again, I just, you know, hopefully that this will motivate you to get out there, get going, you know, and that's really what I want. I want you to get going, get out there, make your dreams happen. And that's it. Go get it. Have a great day, everybody. Take care. Thank you. Bye.